Bro,
Naririnig ba yung boses ko?
oh. Wait. Hello guys, so we are gonna play Nebula. And then subscribe to Nebula because he is Game on Matthew. Nebula, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. So we are gonna play only one rank. If we win in rank, but we are not gonna we are only gonna play one game of rank. If we lose, we are going to do normal 2v2. So what will you say?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. So wait, did Nebula disconnect?
No? I did not disconnected.
Oh, you are here. I thought you are disconnected.
What is this? Yar.
What?
Yar. Uba.
Wait, we're gonna go in battleground. Oh my. Wait,
Ban the sniper now. Ban the sniper now.
wait, man, flamethrower.
Okay.
Because they look so rich.
But I gonna pick bro.
Tanga. Mami, quiet ka kasi na-video kami ni Matthew. Okay, let's go.
Using this as a tripod.
Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh,
Bro! This slow now, this slow. Yeah, we're gonna win. I think we're gonna win.
oh my God.
I will help you. Ow! Bro,
Oh my God, 75 damage. What?
go bro, you got this.
Let's
Yo!
go. We just won. Let's go.
The first time.
Oh my. Oh, wait. Oh my God. Oh no.
Oh no, energy pistol, spammer.
Oh, wait. This guy is using.
This guy is slow now.
This guy is slow too. I'm gonna kill that guy now. Just go. We're gonna win.
My settings on the psych is not working.
Don't use psych, maybe. Wait, Matthew, did you know I have solar in Fist?
What? How I get that?
In
This guy is
Roblox?
slow, this guy is slow.
Super low?
Shotgun. No, the other one.
Oh my, I think we are both low. Can I kill this guy? Oh, I just clutched. Let's go. We are gonna win. If we win rank, we are gonna keep ranking. So
Yeah.
yo, I 56 damage that guy. This guy is slow.
Wow.
Let's go.
I almost died. What?
Let's
It's
go.
so easy. It's so easy now, bro. We are
Before,
winning in rank now.
wait, I will talk to the viewer. Before, me and Nebula are literally losing so much. We are literally losing so bad.
No! So many Molotov, bro. Bro, so many Molotov.
It's okay because it's only 1 point, right?
Yeah.
It's only 1 point. Why did the silver 2 emote? Why did the silver 2 emote? It's just 1 point.
He gonna be cooked, bro.
If he lose, we emote. Because he emote too. Wait, this guy. Wait, they are burning. The two of them are burning. I killed that guy. Let's go!
Yes, go!
That's what you get for emoting, bro.
He's so noob. What?
Oh, 26 elo. Let's go. Should we play again?
I don't know.
Maybe. Let's play again. Look at
I will talk to the record too. Yo
Look.
guys, look at this. I
Wait.
almost get this.
Yo, me
What?
too. I'm almost getting a skin ticket now.
We are talking to the mic or no?
Wait. Who is our enemy? No one. Rivals is not getting as strong enemies because They because they are scared, right?
Yeah.
Let's go
We
to
can,
the what?
the viewers can hear you or no?
They can hear me. Wait, you come look at my face. It's solar. Come,
Okay.
come
Where
look.
are you?
Look at my face, solar.
I cannot see. I can see it's normal.
What? Wait,
Okay, let's play now.
this crosshair gives me aimbot because my crosshair is a cross and it's with purple and it gives me aimbot because that is what the YouTuber's crosshair is. And guys, did you know guys, Nebula has all bundles?
Yeah. But
But
no, but not
not the
the
season pass, the season pass. Right?
yeah. But not the wraps to the wraps in the bundles.
What wraps? Wraps are not even a
Oh,
bundle.
skin.
So yes, skins. I only have one skin. It's the balloon shorty. And then if I have a 10 skin ticket, I am gonna buy the og. Bro,
I gonna buy the paintball gun.
but we are Chinese. Look, can we team good? What the hell do you mean? What the hell do you mean? Can we team good? Shut
We
up.
can think good. Bro, the sentence is wrong. What?
Bro, they are Japanese.
Oh, oh, oh.
Bro, this guy is using gunblade.
I
And then,
just I just 72 damage.
bro,
Oh man,
this guy is using slingshot.
Joe is using medkit. Bro,
Kill that. Bro, the phone is so annoying. The girl. And
where you go now?
they are literally boyfriend and girlfriend. He behind.
Listen. Ow! Yo!
Oh, I saved you. I saved you.
I just assist from the
Oh, Matthew has the paintball gun glory.
I gonna buy a skin of the paintball gun or the Event Horizon skin on the sniper.
I don't know. Our friend Gian has the event horizon, right?
Yeah.
It's burning. The block is burning.
Bro, what are you doing? Almost die! I think that girl is low now.
Bro, I think it's medkit. I think it's using medkit.
I don't know. I don't hear the sound though.
Me too.
Where's the guy? Bro, what they are saying?
Chinese word. They are
Chinese. Shaolin Baula Kumal, let go. I think that is
Bro,
saying.
bro, where's this girl?
This girl is hiding like. Bro,
Hi there. Where is she?
this is
Oh,
not even hide and seek.
yeah.
It's
It's,
not even zoo. It's not even zoo of or oof,
it's here.
bro.
It's here. No. No. Get there.
You,
Kill him.
please,
You can do this. No.
no.
He has medkit. I see.
I gonna lock it.
I see he has medkit. Lock in. Because that girl has auto shoot. Oh, oh,
What? He even. I hear the gun blades. There's you. OMG. What are
OMG.
you talking about,
What do
bro?
you mean? Oh, that's R9. What the heck does it mean? Wait, this guy is in the yellow house. Kill this guy.
Go backward. Go backward.
Let's go.
Mm,
We are
not.
we are mistake. Shut up.
Mistake. What
Oh,
are you talking about? This guy is lagging, I think.
why are they no flare gun?
I hit that skin of the flare gun.
Because the skin is so big.
Oh, bro.
Bro, this girl. Kill this. Bro,
Bro
grenade.
is using grenade launch.
Bro, my drugs. Bro,
Bro.
emoting.
I'm
You
gonna
want?
flamethrower.
I will use I will use crossbow because I respect and then I will use crossbow and medkit.
Yeah. I'm ulto bit. I'm ulto bit.
What?
What is gun? Up there.
Bro, the girl. It's so annoying. Wait, he's burning. The girl.
Wow. Kill this girl. What? It's burning. Kill that now. It's only one hit, bro.
The black.
Not the girl.
Bro, medkit. I see
Bro,
him.
the girl is so low.
Oh, oh,
Wow, how you medkit that? The girl is so low. I
oh.
think you medkit.
What
Bro,
Bro, they keep using pay to win. This is my last switch. I will use gunblade.
because they banned the assault rifle, bro.
Matthew, I have the gold drop in. I have the gold drop in flare
It's a
gun.
girl again. He's going up again. Gonna kill this girl.
Kill him. Yeah, he's burning. Yeah, he's dead. Kill this guy because he keep using grenade launcher. Yes.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Gonna jump to the swimming. Oh,
Lock in because if we lose, you're gonna go back to gold too.
yeah.
Matthew, I have the gold drop in flare gun.
Bro, I see the girl standing there.
What are you doing?
In her,
The girl is burning. Wait.
in her back.
The
Bro,
girl is...
spammer grenade launch.
I killed the girl. Wait.
Bro, it's runner now. What the freak? The boy is runner now.
He's there. He's there. He's there. It's medkit.
Fight him. There you go.
Let's go.
Yeah, we gonna win again, bro. That was you get 4 pay to win, bro.
Matthew, when you use the gunblade, you shoot the window so you can do the psych gunblade.
It's there.
It's burning.
No, I fall up. I think the girl is low now.
Oh, you're using medkit.
Shut
Wait. No.
No!
Bro, he's using grenade launcher.
It's so spammer.
Yeah.
LOL, shut up.
Bro, lock in. Because kill the girl first. Because he's so toxic. Wait, I hit the girl.
Ow! Help protect me. No!
Oh no.
1v1 now, bro. That is burning. You got this, bro. There. No!
Where is he?
No!
He did.
There, outside.
Let me do this. No, you made
No! In your back. That's Jadit. Yeah! Bro!
what you get for toxic. What you get?
Well play. Well
what you-
play.
That's what you get. That's what you get, bro. That's what you get.
Easy.
Easy. Look at you. You are so great.
LOL.
Let's keep doing. We almost lose, but I clutch, right?
Yeah. I'm gold 3 again, finally, bro.
Let's go.
Last time I'm platinum, but I gold 3 again.
Hey,
What? Why is it tryhard avatar?
bro, arena shirt, and then a black Sikola.
I think this is America. Oh, Japan? Why the player is Japan or
Oh.
Singapore?
Bro, why playground? should be crossroad.
Why the rivals player is Japan or Singapore?
I don't know. There is no bro, there is no America. But they speak English. But why is it Japan?
I think Nosli is in the Japan.
Yeah, because I see in YouTube that Nosni face reveal. And then he looks like Japan.
How?
Help me. Kill
Okay.
wait, the Toxicola is burning.
Kill this arena. I'm burning.
How are you? I'm gonna save you. Wait,
I don't think this. I 44 damage that.
bro,
Mercy. Man.
let's go.
Wow. We almost die.
7 o'clock, I'm gonna go bye-bye now, okay?
Okay. I think the record don't have time.
Oh my god. The arena is slow. The arena is slow. He is slow. Bro, I cannot see it because of the flare gun.
Ow! Bro, it's spamming.
Bro, slingshot spam.
The slingshot. No.
Bruh. Log in because they are try hard. No, why did I... Bro, this guy keeps using slingshot. Ow! Bro,
I hate that skin. The flare
gunblade spam. I'm gonna use gunblade too.
They have no skills.
Yeah.
Bro! Spamming the slingshot. I hate slingshot.
This guy is low. Yes. Oh. Yeah.
Ow.
No. He's half health.
I felt.
Yeah. You can clutch this. Go. Yes.
No!
Oh my.
I almost lose there.
Yeah. If you don't get that, we will lose.
It's 2-2 now. It's 2-2. It's so scary! Ow! Bro, spammer! I hate spammer players.
Bro.
I hate spammer players.
Sa triple. What do you mean question mark? You are spamming and you don't know. Are you dumb? I think your head is dumb. Super dumb. That's not
I need
okay.
to hide.
This guy is gonna gunblade me.
Oh man.
You I damage him 24.
Ow! It's so low.
Gunblade, no skill.
Bro,
What do you mean?
What W?
Pari na say W. And why is the Bloxicola saying question mark? Are you dumb? Is your head dumb? You don't have brain. Bro,
Why you are not? Why so hard? Spammer
slingshot.
So okay, we're gonna play normal 2v2.
Okay.
3 games to 3 games to. You use to. Shut up, bro.
Remember what I said earlier? If we lose, wait, this is the last game.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna go because my headset is low but now.
Oh, okay. I gonna do the pass now, bro. I gonna 1v1 players. Oh
Are
my, what is that level? What is that level, bro?
Bro, 300.
I gonna use sniper for the practice.
300, bro. Matthew, later I'm not gonna go bye-bye, but I'm gonna stop the record later because later I'm gonna charge my headset. But wait,
Man, he's using knife.
bro, this guy is
Bro, he have a candy cane na.
bro. What a sweat. He's so sweat.
How is... I gonna use snipe too.
This thing is gonna go bye-bye now. I think it's bye-bye for my win streak. No, because this noob is using. Bro, Matthew, protect me. I'm gonna get.
Kiki, wait.
Help me. Yes, I made kit now.
Bro is using knife.
Okay, the other guy is dead.
Bro is using knife and knife every day,
My headset is super low, but no.
I
We-
think...
We need to hurry up, bro. Ow! Ow! Wait, Matthew, protect me.
Okay.
I'm gonna medkit.
Wait. I'm following him.
Yo, I medkit now.
He's using...
I gonna kill him. Oh no, slingshot.
I will protect you. I gonna damage him.
Yes.
Yes!
My
I
win.
protect... You are in the back and I am in the front, bro.
Okay. If we win, I'm gonna end the video now. Bro, this guy is spamming energy pistol. Help me.
Bro!
Bro, energy pistol.
I hate spamming peoples.
Matthew use energy pistols too.
So hard the energy... I hate spamming people.
The bacon is not using knife now, so don't use knife.
Guys, sabi ko or the noob.
Bro, use flamethrower.
Wait.
What? They are so hard. I'm gonna medkit.
Bro, that...
No, they cancel my medkit. Bro, this guy. No, they keep cancel my medkit. Bro, they keep canceling my medkit.
Wow.
Finally, I medkit now.
Go faster.
Oh my. You there? Yes.
We
No.
almost die.
Wait, my headset is almost low, but
Oh no, bro.
wait till in the video. I'm gonna charge my headset.
Yo, guys, Aldrich gonna charge his headset. He gonna AFK first. You ready now? Ow. The green is so low now. Bro. I'm gonna flamethrower. I'm gonna use flamethrower. Ow. Ah, the Snoopy! You kill him. Help me, bro. Medkit first. And fight. Yeah, I get the red box 3. Lock in. So guys, Aldrich cannot talk because his headset is low, but it's burning. This morning. Man! Why so hard? Run it! Well play. Let's go. Wait, guys.
Okay guys, that is the end of the video. Goodbye.